I have two sourdough bread here. Can you tell the difference? Hey, what's up? No knead or slap and fold method. Which one gives you the best bread? Is it worth it to put so much effort to make a bread? Can we get the same result with the easier, lazier no kneading method? Let's find out together. Alright, for my regular no kneading method, I need water, starter which fed 7 hours in advance, add the salt, mix together with the help of wooden spoon, flour plus whole wheat flour. This recipe is a 75% hydration and 15% whole wheat. Once it's a shaggy dough, just bring it together and that's it. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring it on the surface, few slap and fold, not more than 10, and then round it up. Beautiful. We are trying to create tension and beautiful surface. Into the bowl, rest for another hour. Spray water on the surface, prevent sticking, and use a lamination technique. As you can see, the gluten has developed already. Fold the dough, round it up into the bowl, let it rest for another hour. Alright, after 1 hour, I'm gonna do one coil fold to make sure the dough is super elastic. Beautiful. For the second dough, we're gonna use slap and fold technique. But first, we're gonna use atelier technique. Simply just mix flour and water and let it rest for 30 minutes. Everything is the same, 70% hydration and 15% whole wheat. After 30 minutes, time to add a starter. Add the starter, again mix the dough beautifully. Bring the dough on the surface, slap and fold up to 10 minutes, and then grab the dough, put it into the bowl, let it rest for another 30 minutes. Time to add salt. Again, bring the scale, add the salt, which is 2%. Fold the dough in, bring it on the surface, again, slap and fold technique, up to 10 minutes, and round the dough up beautifully. Into the bowl, let it rest for 40 minutes. As you can see, gluten has developed already, but we are not done yet. We are going to do lamination for this one too. Spread the dough as much as you can, round it up into the bowl, let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, time to do the first coil. Grab the dough, fold it in, beautiful. 1 more hour, second coil fold. After this, time to final proof and final shape. When the dough releases from the side of the bowl, you know the dough is ready. First pre-shape. Let it rest on the counter for 20 minutes, uncovered, and then final shape. Grab one part, put into the center, another part, fold on first part, and now try to roll it in. Seal the edges, flour on top, prevent sticking, and into the banneton. Into the fridge for 10 hours cold fermentation. Second dough, everything is the same. Again into the fridge for cold fermentation. Alright, baking day. The next day we are going to bake our beautiful breads. Scoring technique, everything is the same. Bring it on the baking paper, dust it with flour, and score it confidently. If you miss some part, you can re-score it. But I'm gonna use 5-minute score technique. Simply just after 5 minutes, take the dough out of the oven and score it one more time. This is called rebranding, or 5-minute or 7-minute score. I use open baking method. 20 minutes with steam with the help of boiling water on a baking stone, and 20 minutes without steam, and watch. But this is the result from open baking method with the fan on. In the future, maybe I try different baking method too. Maybe I try baking with Dutch oven. Alright, let's check both bread. This is the first one from No Kneading Method. Hello sound, beautiful crust. Let's see the crumbs. And second bread from Slap&Fold method. Beautiful hello sound, perfect crust. Let's see inside. Wow, beautiful. Since I bake lots of bread, I'm gonna stick to my easier, faster, no kneading method. But honestly, both methods were fine to me. What is your experience? You can participate in these comparison videos by sharing your thoughts and ideas in comment section. If you like this kind of videos, you can like the video and subscribe my channel to see more videos about this. Like always, keep baking and take good care of yourself.